These are mangoes. Beckett, how do you feel about the mango? Do you love it? Do you want me to get you more? When I go to Target, should we get more?
A big mango.
A big mango? You gonna eat more than just the juice?
Debatable.
There's Papa. Cowboy Papa. Hi. Thanks for hashing eggs.
You're welcome. Oh, your videos. Videos.